AI is rapidly transforming the healthcare industry, making diagnosis faster, treatment more precise, and patient care smarter than ever before. From automated imaging to predictive analytics, artificial intelligence is helping hospitals and health tech companies deliver better outcomes in 2025. According to Grandview Research, the global AI in healthcare market is expected to exceed $200 billion by 2030, growing at an impressive CAGR of over 37%. But what exactly is driving this explosive growth? And how can healthcare organizations leverage AI effectively? Let's explore the top trends, real-world use cases, and costs of adopting AI in healthcare. Top AI trends in healthcare, 2026. Many people ask, what are the key AI technological trends revolutionizing healthcare? Let's break them down. 1. AI-powered diagnostics. AI systems now analyze X-rays, CT scans, and MRIs faster and more accurately than ever before. Tools like Google's DeepMind and IBM Watson Health are helping doctors detect diseases, from cancers to cardiac issues, in seconds. 2. Predictive analytics for early detection. By analyzing patient history and real-time data, AI can predict potential illnesses before they occur. Hospitals use predictive models to identify high-risk patients and prevent critical health events. 3. Virtual health assistants and chatbots. AI chatbots provide 24/7 support, scheduling appointments, reminding patients to take medication, and answering health-related questions instantly. This trend is redefining telemedicine and patient engagement. 4. AI in drug discovery. AI helps pharmaceutical companies accelerate R&D. It predicts molecular behavior, reduces trial times, and lowers development costs, making new treatments reach patients faster. 5. Robotic surgery. Robotic systems guided by AI assist surgeons in performing delicate procedures with precision and minimal invasion. These systems analyze data during surgery to improve accuracy and reduce recovery times. 6. AI in personalized medicine. AI tailors treatment based on a patient's genetics, lifestyle, and response data, offering highly customized healthcare solutions. This trend is paving the way for more effective and individualized treatments. 7. Administrative automation. AI handles billing, insurance claims, and data entry, allowing healthcare professionals to focus more on patient care and less on paperwork. Implementing AI in healthcare requires the right data, technology, and expertise. At Apptunix, we specialize in developing AI-driven healthcare apps and solutions, from predictive analytics to smart diagnostic tools. Book your free consultation today. Link is in the description below. Real-world use cases of AI in healthcare. Let's look at how top organizations are already using AI to revolutionize healthcare. 1. Mayo Clinic. Predictive care. The Mayo Clinic uses AI to predict patient deterioration and alert clinicians before critical conditions occur. 2. Path AI. Pathology diagnostics. Path AI leverages machine learning to analyze pathology slides and detect cancers with up to 99% accuracy, reducing diagnostic errors. 3. Tempus. Personalized cancer treatment. Tempus uses AI to analyze clinical and molecular data, helping oncologists design tailored treatment plans for cancer patients. 4. ADOC. Medical Imaging AI. ADOC's AI analyzes radiology scans in real time, detecting conditions like brain hemorrhages or pulmonary embolisms faster than traditional methods. 5. Babylon Health Virtual Consultations. Babylon uses AI chatbots and video consultations to provide medical advice and remote diagnoses, reaching millions of users globally. Estimated costs of adopting AI in healthcare. Here's a rough estimate of what it costs to implement AI in different areas of healthcare. Costs may vary based on complexity and integration. At Apptunix, we empower healthcare providers, startups, and enterprises to integrate AI with confidence-building solutions that are scalable, secure, and regulation-ready. From AI-based medical apps to data-driven patient management systems, we bring your innovation to life with expertise that matters. AI is not replacing doctors, it's empowering them. It's turning complex medical data into life-saving insights. The future of healthcare is intelligent, personalized, and accessible, and Apptunix is here to help you build it. Book your free AI consultation today. Click the link in the description below and let's make healthcare smarter together.